Having trouble activating your Tracfone? It's a common issue, but easily fixed. Most activation problems stem from SIM card errors, eSIM setup difficulties, or zip code ineligibility. First, determine if you're using a physical SIM or eSIM. For physical SIMs, ensure it's properly inserted. For eSIMs, you'll activate via the Tracfone app using a QR code. Next, check your zip code on Tracfone's website or app to confirm service availability in your area. Tracfone relies on partnerships with Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile, so coverage varies by location. Knowing these basics is the first step to troubleshooting. If your SIM isn't recognized, clean the SIM card contacts or try a different slot. For eSIM issues, ensure a stable Wi-Fi connection and update your phone's OS. Error codes like 1001 or 1002 during eSIM setup. Use the Tracfone app's troubleshooting tool. If your zip code is ineligible, consider switching to a Tracfone plan that uses a compatible carrier in your area. As a last resort, contact Tracfone support. Remember to restart your device, check for software updates, and be patient during network provisioning, which can take up to 24 hours. With these steps, you'll likely resolve your Tracfone activation problems quickly.